Hey, what's going on YouTube? Pyros and Pyroettes. It's Kevio the Pyro over here. I'm about to do another unboxing. I was telling you if you watched the other video how it was raining out here, so ain't nothing else to do. Bust these boxes open and start preparing for good old 4th of July. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes ladies. I ain't leaving them out, sweetheart. So we did the other two already. The Amped Up and the Moons. This one was also just outstanding by Pyrostar. The Fan 100 shot extra large aerial finale set. Off the chain. Let's bust this one open. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their day wherever they're at in the country, around the world. I see there's people from all over watching. That fireworks is a universal language. Like love. Everybody want to get down. Alright. Let's open it up. See what it's like. They are pretty big, let me tell you. Alright. First out the box. The Phoenix Fan. Oh, they're starting to put them on all their products now. All right. Next up, the Black Bamboo. Uh-oh. Sound like something in a Bruce Lee movie. I'll try to speed this along. I know how folks got things to do. They only short attention span. Alright, so that's the Phoenix Fan and Black Bamboo Fan. Next out the box. Let's put this one over here. The Iron Fan. Make sure I get that for you. Right. The last one. Dragon Fan. Description. this back. Oh, the other one heavy as hell. Alright, so here you go, guys. The Iron Fan, the Dragon Fan, the Black Bamboo Fan, and the Phoenix Fan. For your finale set, the Fans 100 Shot by Pyrostar.